Hi guys, so finally managed to get hold of a Nintendo Switch and thought I'd do an unboxing video. Got a couple of other things. I got the case, and then this is the new Mario and Rabbids Kingdom Battle game. So it's taken about 2 months to kind of come through, and this is just going to be the quick unboxing. This is a UK Nintendo Switch, but I do believe it's region free. So let's take a look. Apologies, I will be opening this in one hand. So I am opening this for the first time. Let's see what's in here. So straight away, looks like we've got the main unit and then the two Joy-Con controllers. Let's put those to one side. What else do we have in here? This looks like one of the, you put these on the Joy-Cons when you're holding them on each hand. So there's two of those there. This is the actual, so you can put the Joy-Cons in here and it'll turn into a controller. Let's just take these out. This must be the dock. Yeah, it's definitely the dock. Check that out soon. Some important information. Oh well. A HDMI cable for connection to the TV, and then we've got the power brick, and that is a USB-C connection. That looks like it for the unboxing. I will be switching this on. We can take a look at the case while we're here. Let's see if I can get this open. So this is the official Nintendo Switch carrying case and screen protector. I've just taken them out now, and it's hard to do with one hand. So that's the screen protector there, which I will be putting on my Switch shortly after this video. And then we've got the case itself. So this retails in at $16.99 on the game website.